Welcome to our deep dive into Photoshop on tablets. Today, we're exploring whether you can unleash your creativity on the go. Let's talk about which tablets support Photoshop. The iPad Pro, Microsoft Surface, and Samsung Galaxy Tab are at the top of the list. While the core features are similar, there are key differences between Photoshop on desktop and tablets. So what gives? The mobile app offers various features like layers, brushes, and filters. But how well do they stack up against the desktop version? There are plenty of reasons to consider Photoshop on a tablet: portability, ease of use, and a natural drawing experience, to name a few. However, there are limitations too. Storage space, processing power, and some advanced features may not make it to the tablet version. To make the most of your tablet experience, here are some tips. Optimize your workspace, customize your shortcuts, and use a stylus for precision. User feedback is important too. Let's see what creators are saying about their experiences with Photoshop on tablets. So, is Photoshop on a tablet right for you? Consider your creative needs and how you like to work. Happy creating!